right now. Naulat na to atong burger. Ang akong gi-order kay Pac-Man Burger. Pac-Man Burger. Nag-shade ko karon kay wa pa ko'y tulog. Siguro mga 2 ka oras pa lang tulog. Okay na ba? O niya na ako tangan pag ganun kaon ako. So, Manny Pacquiao, 245 pesos. Ang akong budget, 200 pesos lang unta. Pero kay, ang 200 kay Mayweather, man. I don't like Floyd Mayweather. So, that's why I prefer the Pac-Man Burger. Pac-Man Burger, ladies and gentlemen. I'm still waiting. Mga pila ka minutes loto, ma'am. Dugay pa siya, ma'am. 10 minutes lang din siya. I think it's almost 10 minutes. Wow. Yan na pala. Alright. That's what I'm talking about, man. The Manny Pacquiao Burger. The bun looks good. Ito na yan eh. They have lettuce. Lettuce ni siya, no? O coleslaw?
Lettuce, sir.
Lettuce. And you have cucumber. We have tomatoes, white onions, and the patty burger. This is beef, no? Beef, no?
Yes, sir.
Wow. There, and some sauce or some delicious looking, scrumptious looking. Look. Let's have a bite, ladies and gentlemen. Pinakala ng ketchup muna ito. Sa mukha ni kamera, mawala man ang suga. Here you go. Super good. What's with tissue, man? Come on, tissue, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Sarap ng ano nila. Patty. Sarap talaga pag grilled. Grilled yung ano.
Yes, sir.
Pag grilled talaga yung patty, talagang lasang-lasa mo yung baka ba. Very good. What is this? Do you have hot sauce? This one? This one.
Yes, sir. Mayo mustard.
Here you go, baby. If it's not spicy, I'm not eating. According to Mark Wins. Ano ito buksan? Ay. What happened here? There you go. Ako, tumigas. Hep. Yep. Ako po. All right, here. Pac-Man Burger. There, ladies and gentlemen. Feels so good. Excuse me. I'm happy. I'm a happy man. Because of this burger. So good. Ano? Yun. Yung hot sauce nila. Pa talaga natin yan. Yan. Well, wait. Yan. Ang customer. Bata at saka gulang. So, sauce in the house. Wow. So good. Sarap. Sarap yung sauce nila. A little bit sweet. A little bit sour. Pero mas nangingibabaw yung sweetness. Sauce nila. Tapos, kasali na yung ano, the tastiness of the beef. Parang may sige nang ginabutang eh. Mustard, nani mustard no? May mustard no? I mean, ito may mustard na dati, wala pa. Anong klaseng sauce nilagay nyo?
Chili sauce po.
Ha?
Cheese sauce.
Cheese sauce. Cheese, I see. This one is the mustard, Jenny?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Uy! Nandami yan. It's alright. You can eat them all. Ito, manghang to. So, you're gonna consume this all. Very good burger. Very good. Ito nagluto ani ma'am? Ikaw ma'am? Sulod. Cook. Hindi na siya. Lami ang buwan na. It's very good. Very good, chef. Very good, chef. That guy has talent. So good. People thinking that I'm do this. Totally nuts. Talking while eating, you know, not the usual thing. Not normal people usually does. So you usually do. Wrong grammar. So, ubusin ko na to. Tubig din muna tayo. Wala tayong soft drinks because wala tayong budget. Ito lang kaya natin. Wow. Yeah. Yan, dumalamig yung tubig.